Are you a new mom experiencing forgetfulness, difficulty with focus and multitasking? Well, by the way, about multitasking, that doesn't even exist. I made a video about it and you can find a link in the description to that video below. You might be suffering from mom brain, a common phenomenon that affects many women after giving birth. But don't worry, there are many ways to manage it and regain your cognitive abilities. Mom brain is a colloquial term used to describe the cognitive changes that some women experience after giving birth. These changes can include difficulty with memory, focus and multitasking, as well as general feeling of forgetfulness or scatterbrainedness. There are several ways to deal with mom brain. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can make cognitive issues worse, so it's important to prioritize rest and sleep as much as possible. Exercise. Regular exercise can help with focus and concentration, as well as overall cognitive function. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables and lean protein can support brain health and improve energy levels. And also important, eat whole, unprocessed food. That type of food is the best food. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga can help to reduce stress and improve focus. Organize your environment. A cluttered environment can add to feelings of overwhelm and disorganization, so try to keep your space as organized as possible. Delegate tasks. Ask for help from your partner, friends or family when it comes to household tasks and childcare. It's worth noting that mom brain is not a scientific or medical term, and the changes in cognitive function are not specific to women who have given birth. It can be experienced by anyone. So, if you're experiencing mom brain, remember to prioritize rest, exercise, healthy eating and mindfulness practice. Organizing your environment and delegating tasks can also help to reduce overwhelm and stress. With a few adjustments to your daily routine, you can take control of mom brain and get back to feeling like yourself again. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you want to help me grow this community to support and empower mom's life, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'd be grateful. Thanks again, and I hope to see you in the next video.